I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Sony TV, the one with Google TV. There's actually two ways you can factory reset it. You can go through the settings with your remote, or you can use the button on the bottom of your TV. But we're going to use the remote for this one, okay? So very simple here. So first thing is go to your home page, so you can tap on the home button on the remote. And then from here you want to go to settings, okay? You can go to settings. You can click on, if you have a settings, the gear icon on your remote, you can click there, or you can go on the top right hand side of the TV. Okay, I'll just go to the top right hand side of the TV here, go up and move all the way to the right to your avatar, go to your avatar photo, and then go down to settings right there, click on OK. And now from here we're going to go to system, so we're going to go down to system right there, move over to the right, and then we're just going to go down to about right there, move over to the right, and just go down to reset right there, click on OK, and then you can do factory data reset right here. Okay, once you click on OK, it's going to restart the TV a few times or whatnot, so you need to be patient. Probably going to take about like 10 minutes or so for the factory reset. So pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below. Good luck.